So for this video, we are in Malindi. I came here for a few days and I thought I'd make a short vlog for the little channel. So I am at Sandies Tropical Village. I've been here before, like years and years ago, and it was really good, so we came again. It's a really nice hotel. I'll show you guys like clips of the place around. It has a beachfront, so it's really nice. I'm sat in like a upstairs veranda area. When I came here years ago as a kid, we would sit here and watch football games, but now there's not really much going on. Everyone's at the beach, so the main hotel area is kind of empty. So I'm filming this on the second day. I initially wanted to film it on the first day we got here, but we basically spent the entire day traveling. That's the only problem with using the SGR, is that you spend 6 hours on the train and then the train drops you in Mombasa, so we had to take another like 3 or 4 hour drive to get to here. So the whole day was spent traveling. And then this hotel is amazing, apart from the fact that the service was very slow when we got here. So check-in took like an hour because I guess they were giving us time to rest, but they wouldn't give us our hotel keys, so that was a bit annoying. So by the time like everything was done, it was dark, so I couldn't film. But I'll film today. I'll show you guys around the hotel. I'll show you the gift shop. They even have a like tailor here as well, which I haven't seen in many hotels. It's beachfront, so that's also good. Yeah, very many people. This is a hotel where like there's so many Italians. I remember when we came here the first time, like years ago, there were very many Italians, so like even the announcements weren't done in like English, they were done in Italian, and so we were just sat there like, what's going on? Yeah, but it is a really nice hotel. I'll show you guys around, like I said. And yeah, so whenever I come to the beach, I spend the whole day, like basically the entire day, in the ocean. The last time I went, I was in the ocean until like sunset, so we were in the water and watching the sunset, so that was really nice. So basically after filming, I'm just going to spend the time in the ocean by the beach, or just like inside the water. I also want to take some pictures. Like this is a really nice place to take pictures, so I think I'll also do that. I'll try and get pictures from here and maybe the balcony of my room, because the hotel is quite full, so I'm not going to go into like common areas to take pictures apart from here because there are many people around. But I think this is actually like the best place to take the pictures from, so I will do that. And I guess I'll show you guys the process of that as well, because the last time I tried to make a video showing the process of taking pictures, I didn't do the best job, but that's fine. This time I'll do a bit better. So yeah, I guess the plan is just film more of the hotel, take some pictures, and then just go chill by the beach. to my room right now. It is directly ahead of us, and it is a very nice room location because it's right downstairs, not very far away, and the internet is very strong because they have routers all around the hotel. Okay, so this is the double room, 2 beds. This bed is a bit smaller than the other one. The beds are also really high. I'm not too sure what that's about, but not complaining. I kind of like it. Yeah, so the rooms are really big and really nice as well. There's strong internet in the rooms. Only problem is that there are geckos. The geckos haven't entered the room just yet, so that's good. We've got like a mini fridge as well, which comes with drinks. And then we have the bathroom, which again is really spacious. Here's the shower. The shower doesn't have a door on this end. Again, I'm not too sure what that's about, but the shower is very long, so the water doesn't really splash out that much. And then a nice big mirror. So that was the room. Really nice again. I'm comparing this hotel a lot to the last one I stayed at, which was Jacaranda Beach Resort in Watamu, just because I stayed there just a few months ago, so it's easy to just compare the two, and it's natural to just compare the two. And comparing the two, this one is a lot better, like in all aspects: food, internet, just everything basically. Even the cats, like that hotel had cats which I was feeding every day, and those cats were not as well treated as the cats here. The cats here, honestly, they're living their best lives. They are so well fed. They chill on the couches in the lobby area. No one kicks them out. Everyone is really friendly to them. Because even if you try and feed them, which I did this morning during breakfast, they don't even finish the food because they're just so well fed that they don't even feel the need to finish any food that you drop to them. Anyway, so my plan was to film the room and then go back to that place where I did the intro from and take pictures from there. But I can see that place from my room, and looking there I can see that there are people there now, so I'm not going to go back there to take pictures. I'll just take my pictures from here, and I'll film that real quick as I take the pictures. Hopefully I get some good ones. I'm not trying to take so long to take pictures, so if I try for a while and I don't get any good ones, I'm just going to give up and go to the beach. I can't be bothered. I really can't. If I do anything else during this trip, I'll make a part 2 to this video, but if I spend the rest of the trip just by the beach, there won't be a part 2 because there's not really much to film. So with that being said, let me take some pictures and hopefully get some good ones. So I'm done taking my pictures. I got very few good ones. I'm not even sure if I'll post them or not, but anyway, thank you for watching the video. That's the end of this short vlog kind of thing. So hopefully I'll see you in the next one, and thank you for watching.